His dish features tender chicken breasts, cooked in a rich and creamy garlic sauce, with sun-dried tomatoes and spinach. It's quick to prepare and perfect for a weeknight dinner, making it appealing to a wide audience. Ingredients: for boneless, skinless chicken breasts, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons olive oil, for cloves garlic, minced, 1 cup heavy cream, 1 cup chicken broth, 1 cup sun-dried tomatoes, chopped, 2 cups fresh spinach, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, grated Parmesan cheese for garnish. Instructions: season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper. In a large skillet, heat olive oil over medium-high heat. Add the chicken and cook until golden brown on both sides and cooked through. Remove from the skillet and set aside. In the same skillet, add minced garlic and sauté for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Pour in the heavy cream and chicken broth, stirring to combine. Add sun-dried tomatoes and Italian seasoning. Bring the mixture to a simmer, then add the spinach and cook until wilted. Return the chicken to the skillet, allowing it to soak up the sauce for a few minutes. Serve hot, garnished with grated Parmesan cheese. Like, share, and subscribe for more interesting recipes.